Join me today as we draw Yoshi into the cream of an Oreo cookie. Hello everyone, Kitslam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're celebrating Yoshi and Oreo cookies. That's right, so we're gonna draw Yoshi into the cream of an Oreo cookie. And if you've been following the channel, you know that we're working through a Nintendo Oreo cookie series. This was Shy Guy, that was the video we did previously. And I also have a variety of other Oreo cookie carvings that I've done. We've got a Rubik's Cube here. I've got Kylo Ren. He's part of an ongoing Star Wars series. So we've got lots of Oreo cookies around. I'm gonna link those videos and playlists up above so you can find those. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab ourselves a cookie from our lovely cookie collection. And previously in the Shy Guy video, I cracked the cookie perfectly. So I am noticing, I think they're putting less cream in these cookies. Let me just slowly move this back and forth, which is how I tend to crack the Oreo. Okay, now this I think, ooh, there we go, nice. And with that, we're ready to celebrate our friend Yoshi, and we're gonna start that right now. And with that, our drawing of Yoshi on the Oreo cookie is finished. Guys, let me know, what do you think? How did he turn out? This drawing of Yoshi is part of an ongoing series here on the channel. Today we did the Oreo cookie of Yoshi. In the past we did an M&M mosaic of Yoshi, and the question I have for you guys is, what could we do with Yoshi next? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, check it out. I've been creating videos and playlists for a variety of characters. You can see our King Boo collection here. We have a Shy Guy collection there, and over here we have our Mario collection. So always looking for more ideas to get creative here on the channel. Leave suggestions, let me know what you'd like to see next. My name is Kitslam and I post a variety of fun and creative art content here on YouTube. So subscribe for weekly videos and I will see you in the next one.